Greetings, dear JKSSB aspirants. In this video presentation, we have mock test 6 from Unit 6, Government and Non-Government Programs, Health and Family Welfare, ECCE, Old Age and Disability Schemes, of the JKSSB Female Supervisor 2024 exam. You are requested to note down the answers in your notebook. At the end of the video, there is an answer key available for you to compare your answers. Let us try to solve mock test 6. Question 1. Which governmental program in India focuses on providing healthcare services to pregnant women and children under the age of 6? A. National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. B. Integrated Child Development Services, ICDS. C. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, RSBY. D. Ayushman Bharat. Question 2. The legislation in India that safeguards the rights of children and ensures their protection and welfare is known as A. Juvenile Justice Act. B. Right to Education Act. C. Children's Rights Act. D. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POCSO, Act. Question 3. Which program in India aims to provide early childhood care and education to children aged 3 to 6 years? A. ICDS. B. Midday Meal Scheme. C. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, SSA. D. Anganwadi Services Scheme. Question 4. The scheme in India that provides financial assistance to senior citizens living below the poverty line is called A. National Old Age Pension Scheme, NOPS. B. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, RSBY. C. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJ. D. National Social Assistance Program, NSAP. Question 5. Which program in India provides free medical care to below poverty line families? A. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, PMSBY. B. Ayushman Bharat Yojana. C. Janani Suraksha Yojana, JSY. D. Indira Gandhi Matritva Sahyog Yojana, IGNZE. Question 6. The scheme that focuses on providing health insurance coverage to families living below the poverty line is A. National Health Mission, NHM. B. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJ. C. National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. D. Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram, RBSK. Question 7. Which program in India focuses on providing comprehensive healthcare services to pregnant women and newborns? A. Mission Indradhanush. B. National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. C. Janani Suraksha Yojana, JSY. D. Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram, RBSK. Question 8. The legislation in India that addresses the issues related to adoption and provides guidelines for adoption procedures is the A. Adoption Act. B. Child Welfare Act. C. Juvenile Justice Act. D. Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act. Question 9. The scheme in India that provides financial assistance for medical treatment to below poverty line families is A. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJ. B. Ayushman Bharat Yojana. C. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, RSBY. D. Janani Suraksha Yojana, JSY. Question 10. The scheme in India that provides financial assistance to widows and destitute women is A. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, PMJDY. B. Pradhan Mantri Matritva Vandana Yojana, PMMVY. C. National Widow Pension Scheme, NWPS. D. National Social Assistance Program, NSAP. Question 11. Which governmental program in India focuses on preventing and controlling non-communicable diseases? A. National Tobacco Control Program, NTCP. B. National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, NVBDCP. C. National AIDS Control Program, NAC. D. National Mental Health Program, NMHP. Question 12. The legislation in India that mandates free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 years is A. Juvenile Justice Act. B. Right to Education Act. C. Child Labor, Prohibition and Regulation Act. D. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POCSO Act. Question 13. Which program in India focuses on providing comprehensive health care services to adolescents? A. Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram, RKSK. B. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, RSBY. C. National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. D. National Urban Health Mission, NOHM. Question 14. The scheme in India that provides financial assistance for medical treatment to children with life-threatening diseases is A. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, PMSBY. B. Ayushman Bharat Yojana. C. Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram, RBSK. D. Indira Gandhi Matritva Sahyog Yojana, IGMSE. Question 15. The legislation in India that regulates the employment of children and prohibits hazardous occupations and processes is A. Child Labor, Prohibition and Regulation Act. B. Juvenile Justice Act. C. Right to Education Act. D. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POCSO Act. Question 16. Which governmental program in India focuses on providing health care services to people living in rural areas? A. National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. B. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, RSBY. C. National Urban Health Mission, NOHM. D. Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Question 17. The legislation in India that protects the rights of persons with disabilities and provides for their education, employment, and social security is the A. Mental Health Care Act. B. Persons with Disabilities, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act. C. Rehabilitation Council of India Act. D. Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act. Question 18. Which program in India focuses on providing primary health care services and essential drugs to people living in remote and inaccessible areas? A. National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. B. Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana. C. Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, RSBY. D. Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram, RBSK. Question 19. The program in India that focuses on addressing malnutrition among children below the age of 6 years is A. National Food Security Act, NFSA. B. Integrated Child Development Services, ICDS. C. Midday Meal Scheme. D. National Nutrition Mission, NNM. Question 20. The scheme in India that provides financial assistance to families for the marriage of their daughters from economically weaker sections is A. Pradhan Mantri Matritva Vandana Yojana, PMMVY. B. Indira Gandhi Matritva Sahyog Yojana, IGMSE. C. Mukhyamantri Kanyadan Yojana. D. National Social Assistance Program, NSAP. The correct answers are Question 1. Answer B. Integrated Child Development Services, ICDS. Question 2. Answer A. Juvenile Justice Act. Question 3. Answer D. Anganwadi Services Scheme. Question 4. Answer A. National Old Age Pension Scheme, NOPS. Question 5. Answer B. Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Question 6. Answer B. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, PMJ. Question 7. Answer C. Janani Suraksha Yojana, JSY. Question 8. Answer C. Juvenile Justice Act. Question 9. Answer A. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana PMJ. Question 10. Answer D. National Social Assistance Program NSAP. Question 11. Answer A. National Tobacco Control Program NTCP. Question 12. Answer B. Right to Education Act. Question 13. Answer A. Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram RKSK. Question 14. Answer C. Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram RBSK. Question 15. Answer A. Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. Question 16. Answer A. National Rural Health Mission NRHM. Question 17. Answer D. Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act. Question 18. Answer A. National Rural Health Mission NRHM. Question 19. Answer B. Integrated Child Development Services ICDS. Question 20. Answer C. Mukhyamantri Kanyadan Yojana. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoki Bilal.